Effective ba?
Yes.
Po, kuya. He loves what he's doing. He's enjoying.
He's enjoying.
Anong masasabi mo sa kanya bilang coach?
Talagang sa 15 years old, kuya, marunong na siya paano maglinis sa paglaro. Hindi lang yung hindi lang yung anak, kuya, yung ginakoy. Kuya, there is no respect on my side, kuya.
Loyalty and respect is with me.
When she talks her face, and then, and then,
Kuya. Opo, kuya. Opo, kuya.
Tama ba yun, Maymay?
Parang, ganun pala ako gano'n. Parang silang baliw kung paano silang imitate sa akin, pero hindi naman ako gaya.
Si Kuya nakisali sa kulitan ng tatlo.
Boys, idikit nyo nga yung mukha nyo kay Maymay. Do it now. Closer. Closer. Sige. Now, whatever she does, you will do the same. Wala, may triplets pala ako sa bahay. May 3 Maymay akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat, mga Maymay.
Pero si Maymay may pinasabog na naman.
Sabi niya.
Kuya, she's party!
Kuya, no. Please let me out.
Kuya, no!
Kuya!
Kuya! Marco, you knew that was her.
Kuya, please! I'm sorry.
Maymay!
Kuya, yan po your leader. I didn't mean it. It's just go away. Please, please.
So, paglabas nyo, ganyan pa rin kayo?
Yes.
Oo.
Kuya, no.
Kuya, no.
O sige. Sabi nyo eh.
Paglabas ng tatlo sa confession room,
Please, please.
Please, please.
Hello.
Hello.
Please. Magmamakaw. Tapos na. Tapos na. Grabe! Kuya! Mahal kita, kisses.
Mahal kita, kisses.
Yes!
Yes!
hanggang si Maymay hindi na makapagpigil.
Dito, mabaho dito.
Christian!
Grabe, Maymay. It's really hard to be you po.